One thing I've noticed about women recovering from narcissistic abuse is that they tend to fixate on the narcissist after the relationship ends. And for a while, that's completely okay. There is nothing wrong with that. In fact, information is power. The more you can learn about your abuser and the tactics that they've used, the more clarity you can get in terms of what you've experienced and why you react in the ways that you do. However, there comes a point where we have to stop focusing on the narcissist and focus on ourselves. The reason why we focus on the narcissist is because honestly, it's a lot easier to focus on them than it is to focus on you. You've spent a number of months or years in this type of relationship where they always were the center of attention. And guess what? They're continuing the pattern of making themselves the center of your life. I know that stings to hear, but I bet you there's a part of you who actually resonates with what I'm saying. So when you're ready, it's important to start focusing on you. And that can look like little things. It doesn't have to be a big thing. It could look like doing something small for yourself, like reading your favorite book, listening to your favorite song, treating yourself to your favorite food. And if you need support with that, that's exactly what we do in my community. It's all about rebuilding yourself after narcissistic abuse without focusing on the narcissist. Because you matter here, and your life is important. So when you're ready, feel free to check out the link below. And if you're not ready, that's okay. In the comments, I want you to put down one thing that you're going to do for yourself today.